Good evening, my beauties, and how are you tonight? Guess what? It is time for the box by Fashionista. Yes. I think everybody liked this box the last time I did this unboxing, and I really liked it too. So we have another one, and let's hope that this one is as good as the last one was. Let's get excited and get right into the box by Fashionista. And all the descriptions, everything will be in the bottom. So you'll be able to check it out if you want to, or buy products from them. As you can see, they package all nice and pretty in there, and I like that. Anybody who knows me knows that I like nice packaging. Open up the pretty paper. We got some nice black. Yep, okay. All right, oh my goodness. Oh, this looks like it's going to be amazing. This look... just looking in here, just with the... Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It is just filled with beautiful products. Okay. I hope you're excited too. Be excited. Yes, let's be excited. All right. So I don't know where to start. I'll just start with the biggest product that is right on here. Let's see what this says. Lavido. This is what this is here. Lavido. And I already see Age Away, which is really wonderful for someone like me. That's great. Even Evening Primrose Seed, Sea Buckthorn, and Pumpkin Seed. Age Away Hydrating Cream. Oh, I actually already have one of these. It just didn't come in the box. It came just like this. But I do use it. So this is what it looks like. And I do already have one, so now I've got a second one. Age Away Hydrating Cream. It's $55 for this. Okay, balances the skin's moisture levels, improves skin texture and tone, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles for a healthy glow. It's vegan and cruelty-free. What next do we have in this beautiful box? I don't know, but this looks pretty. This looks very beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It says Cutie Oils. Wow. Cutie Oils. Cutie Oils. And this says Cutie Oils. Mia, $22. Help restore brittle nails back to health. Nourish your cutie... Oh, okay, it's for cuticles and nails. With this mixture of coconut oil, macadamia oil, meadow foam oil, and jojoba oil. See, I know how to pronounce jojoba. If I didn't know how to pronounce it, I'd say jojoba. But I do know how to pronounce that one. Okay, that'll help. Maybe help these, do something with these nails. Right, what have we got next? What's this? Makeup Geek. Purple eyeliner pencil. Apply effortlessly with a velvety smooth application that lasts up to 8 hours with no sharpener ever needed. Waterproof and transfer proof. Cruelty free. But it's not vegan. Just kidding. Your average eyeliner pencil. Let's see. Nice and smooth. It's got a purpley color to it, but it's still dark enough to be a nice eyeliner. I have all kinds of, I'll be playing with all sorts of eyeliners and colors. And I actually have, from my last unboxing, I got this brown eyeliner, and I actually used it tonight. I said I was going to on my next video, so I did. I used it. I think it looks good. I also put on my magnetic lashes. Okay, so the next item, it says Floss on it. That's all it says on that side. And can't really read it. So I'll read it on here. Floss Beauty Lip Advocate, $18. A sheer lip tint formulated with shea butter to deliver long-lasting hydration. Use it alone for a soft wash of build able. They put that as 2 words. Build able. It's supposed to be 1 word. Buildable. Color. Or apply it over your favorite lip product for a subtle sheen. Vegan and cruelty free. Somebody needs a grammar lesson. That's a big stick. Ooh. Looks like that. Okay. And that's for I like that. That's for lips. That's going to go. Let me see. We got to try it out on my hand. Wow, is that smooth? That is smooth as silk. Ooh, look at that. It's kind of almost a reddish tan color. Oh, wow. Next, we have SOOTHE Tea Infused Oil. It looks like this. Lavender, sage. I like the sound of that. Oh, cool. It's got like a bluish tint to it. SOOTHE. It's facial oil, $40. And it says, infused with lavender, sage, and blue tansy oil to provide a deep, calming sensation to the skin, leaving it soft, nourished, and glowing. Oh, that's relaxing. That'll be nice to just put on and... That's nice. That's really nice. Oh, I wish we had a bathtub in this house, because that would be so nice in a bath. Oh. Next, I see something pretty here. It looks like it's in a palette. This is the last item, so usually that's the best in the palette. And it is. It's in bubble wrap. And if we take it out, Ace Beauty. This is what it looks like. I like that. Wow. Ace BEAUTE. Vintage Dawn. Oh, this is a box. And it's inside this box. Okay. It looks like that. Let me see what these look like. Oh. Oh, wow. It's got a nice clean mirror. And look at these colors. Look at those colors. Wow. I can definitely see using those and brightening things up. Oh, that's beautiful. Dawn palette, $35. 12 highly pigmented, gorgeous shades, reminiscent of the beautiful sunrises from around the world. Oh, I like that. Perfect colors for a sun-filled summer of beauty, cruelty-free. That is nice. Is it? That is the last item in our lovely box. And that is the box by Fashionista.com. It's where it is, Fashionista.com. It's really, really wonderful. So I'll make sure the links are down below. And wow, so hope you enjoyed that one. I always enjoy a really good makeup and beauty care unboxing. And this is a good one, the box by Fashionista. It's really good. I have coming up, I have BoxyCharm coming up soon. Within the next week, I have BoxyCharm, I have Goddess Provisions, and I also have a mystery box. So that will be fun to figure out, to take everything out and see what's in it. So subscribe, and we will see you at the next video. And you have a great night, great day, and stay beautiful.